Hello and welcome back to my channel THEGATEMECH. Today's topic is terms used in gears. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel THEGATEMECH and also press the bell icon. So let's start. So in the last video we were discussing about what is gear and gear classification, and in this video we are discussing about terms used in gears. So first is what is gear. A gear is also called a cogwheel. A gear or a cogwheel is a rotating machine part having cut teeth on it and meshed with another gear to transmit torque. In precision machines like wash mechanism, in which a definite velocity ratio is most important, the only positive drive is by gear. A gear drive is also provided when the distance between the follower and the driver is very small. So this is the gear profile, and we are discussing about each and every term which is shown in this profile. So first term is pitch circle. So pitch circle is an imaginary circle and it is shown here. So it is by pure rolling action would give the same motion as the actual gear. So diameter of the pitch circle is known as pitch circle diameter, which is the second term of the gear profile. So we are specified gear size by the pitch circle diameter, and pitch circle diameter is also known as pitch diameter. Next term is pitch point. It is a common point of contact between two pitch circles. Pitch surface, it is a surface of the rolling disc, which the meshing gears have replaced at the pitch circle. Pressure angle is the most important term, which is noted by phi, and the standard pressure angles are 14.5 degree and 20 degree. It is the angle between the common normal of two gear teeth at the point of contact and the common tangent at the pitch point. So next term is addendum and addendum. So addendum is the distance between the pitch circle and the top of the tooth. It is the distance. Okay, and addendum is also the radial distance between the pitch circle and the root of the teeth. Next term is addendum circle and addendum circle. These are concentric with the pitch circle. Addendum circle drawn through the top of the circle, top of the tooth, and addendum circle drawn through the root of the tooth. Okay, and addendum circle are also known as root circle diameter, and it is equal to pitch circle diameter into cos phi. Here phi is the pressure angle. Next term is circular pitch. It is the distance measured on the circumference of the pitch circle from a point of one tooth to the corresponding point on the next tooth. It is usually denoted by PC. So PC is equal to pi d by t. Here d is equal to diameter of the pitch circle and t is the number of teeth on the wheel. Now clearance is the radial distance from the top of the tooth to the tooth root. In the gears, a circle passing through the top of the gear is known as clearance circle. Total depth is the radial distance between the addendum and the addendum circle of the gear. It is equal to the sum of the addendum and addendum. Now next term is working depth. So it is the radial distance from the addendum circle to the clearance circle. It is equal to the sum of the addendum of the two gears. Tooth thickness, it is a width of the tooth measured along the pitch circle. Tooth space, it is the width of the space between the two tooth, okay, two adjacent tooth measured along the pitch circle. Backlash, it is the difference between the tooth space and the tooth thickness measured on the pitch circle. Next is face of the tooth. It is surface of the tooth above the pitch surface. Topland, it is the surface of the top of the tooth. Flank of the tooth, it is the surface of the tooth below the pitch surface. Face width, it is the width of the gear tooth measured parallel to the axis. Profile, it is a curve formed by the face and the flank of the tooth. Flit radius, it is the radius that connects the root circle of the profile of the tooth. Part of the contact, it is the path traced by the point of contact of two teeth from the beginning to the engagement. Length of the path of contact, it is the length of the common normal cut off by the addendum circle of the wheel and pinion. Arc of contact, it is the path traced by the point on the pitch circle from the beginning to the engagement of the given pair of teeth. The arc of contact consists of two pairs, that is arc of approach, it is the part of the path of contact from the beginning to the engagement of the pitch point. Arc of recess, it is the part of path of contact from the pitch point to the engagement of the pair of teeth. The ratio of the length of arc of contact of the circular pitch is known as contact ratio, that is number of pair of teeth in contact. So that's all about gear profile. So I hope कि मैंने जितने भी टर्म्स था गियर प्रोफाइल के रिगार्डिंग वो सब कवर किया है. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक द वीडियो एंड कमेंट below. Thank you.